Mitsubishi is reportedly set to launch the Mitsubishi Galant 2025, a legendary sedan making a return after several years of absence. With a starting price of around $28,000, the new Galant is expected to offer a more modern design, better fuel efficiency, and advanced features that enhance driver comfort and safety. The 2025 Galant will feature a sleeker and more elegant exterior design with cleaner, more aerodynamic body lines. The large front grille and sharp LED headlights will give it a modern look in line with current vehicle trends. Its lower and wider body shape will also create a stable, sporty stance that catches attention on the road. The 2025 Galant will come with a 2.5L four-cylinder engine capable of producing around 200 horsepower, providing enough performance for daily use and long-distance drives. The engine will be paired with a CVT transmission for better fuel efficiency. Additionally, a hybrid variant will also be available for those prioritizing fuel economy. The interior of the 2025 Galant will be equipped with the latest infotainment system, including a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers and passengers can easily access apps, music, and navigation directly from the screen. Premium sound systems will also be available on higher trims to enhance the driving experience. Inside, the 2025 Galant offers spacious seating with high-quality leather upholstery. The driver and front passenger will enjoy maximum comfort thanks to adjustable seats in various positions. The clean and minimalist dashboard design will provide a modern and elegant atmosphere. Mitsubishi has not overlooked the safety aspects of the 2025 Galant. Safety features such as Mitsubishi safety features with forward collision warning, lane departure alert, as well as traction and stability control will be standard across all variants. Automated parking systems and 360-degree cameras will also help drivers in tight parking spaces. The 2025 Galant will also offer advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring to help drivers stay safe and focused on the road. These technologies will make long-distance trips more comfortable by minimizing driver intervention in vehicle control. Mitsubishi will offer several Galant 2025 variants with various premium feature options such as a panoramic sunroof, adjustable power seats, and a premium audio system. With these different variants, customers can choose according to their preferences and needs, ranging from standard to luxurious trims. To further enhance the Galant 2025's appeal, Mitsubishi will offer a variety of exterior color options, including metallic and matte finishes. Buyers will also be able to choose additional exterior modifications, such as larger alloy wheels, front bumper protection, and chrome accents on certain parts, providing a more personal and exclusive look.